There's wildlife to appreciate here. During my longer runs, I have dozens of ideas which, by the time I get home, shower, hydrate, and get to journaling, have simply drifted away. One thought which stuck around recently was a realization of the island's nature. We tend to view Earth as something outside that we have to appreciate more. But I got the sense running with the crows that it was the other way around. It feels to me, whether it's the waves crashing, the hawks soaring, or the sweet smell of warm dirt in the winter, that Mother Nature is the one appreciating most when she gets to finally realign with us. 17. The Inspirations Tour began in 2017 as I was slowly pulling my life back together and also tearing it apart. I painted, I wrote, and I flew many flights. I spent a month in Paris, holed up at the Art Hotel on the 17th. I returned to NYC for a magical week and spent the next 2 months living in Mexico City at the now infamous 53 Plaza Rio de Janeiro. There were so many valleys and peaks, it's impossible to know what was the catalyst for what. But the one thing I'm sure of is that I was forced to follow my intuition. The Inspirations Tour had no plan other than to make sure we documented it to the best of our abilities, so that if a time should come to share our way of life, we'd be ready. Again, we had no clue 2020 would be 2020. We just lived out our heart's true desires, following some gut intuition as our ancestors taught us. It all made no sense to anyone other than us, and we've grown quite used to that. Like, we operate in the shadows. We had no idea the rest of the world would have to get used to the same type of realities. Again, in 2017, we were just making sure to honor our dreams.